Okay, elimination is the second form of systems of equations. Remember, last lesson we did systems of equations where when we graph two lines and we figure out where the two lines intersect. That's the answer. Okay. This is another method of doing systems of equations, but this method is just so that we don't have to graph, or we graph it and we figure out that, you know what, this point that where they intersect is a decimal and not a whole number. Okay, so then you would do elimination or substitution. So we're going to do the basic form of elimination here. Normally, everything's not all lined up nice like this. So we would have to do some other things, but we're going to do that next class. This class, I just want us to just get the general idea of elimination, which would be we add the two equations together so that these cancel out. Okay, again, next class, these aren't going to cancel out right away. We got to figure out some other ways to get them to cancel out. But just to get the method down, 4 plus 3 is 7x. 6 plus negative 6 is 0. And 32 plus 3 is 35. And then we divide by 7. And x equals 5. And if you remember from systems of equation with graphing or substitution, you need an x and a y. So we need to figure out what this value is going to be right here. So we would substitute that 5 in for x into either equation is fine. So 4 times 5 plus 6y equals 32. That's 20. And just simple solving equations, right? Subtract 20 from both sides. 6y equals 12. Divide by 6. And y equals 2. So my answer is 5, 2. So if I graph these two lines, they would intersect at 5, 2. Okay, next class, we're going to get into like the harder things about how to set these up if it doesn't line up perfectly. You can see the 6 and negative 6, it kind of worked out perfect where the y's cancel out. That's obviously not always the case.